I am watching some bass fishing actually here. But this is my new channel. My old channel was Bassmaster PA24, and today I'm gonna show you what's in my tackle box and what I'm using. This is a power bait ripple shad. Last year I caught a huge sheephead off of it, and tonight I'm gonna see if I can get any walleye to bite on it or any big sheephead. They always bite like around nighttime. It's crazy how those sheephead, for me with lures, they always bite at night. Except for that one on that kayak. I was flowing down the river, and down the creek into the mouth. I had my back towards the mouth of the river, and I was just coming down with this. I'll actually show you guys. It's a medium heavy Abu Garcia Vengeance, or Vigilante, I'm sorry. I was thinking about getting the Vengeance. And it's a, I actually don't know the specifics of it. It's a 7-foot medium heavy, 1/4 to 3/4 ounce lure recommended. 8 to 14 pound test line. I got 6 on here actually. I don't like to use heavy line this time of the year, and I got it in a smoky gray color. So it's pretty cool. I like Stren a lot, but lately I've been using Trilene, just trying out a different line. Because a few years back I actually used the Trilene XT that I got up from Geneva on the lake. And I got some, I'll have to say I actually like that line because it went right through the grass, excuse me. But anyways, let's get to the tackle box. Found this tackle box, had an older one, don't remember where I threw it at. I probably threw it away or something, but some guy left it on the wall, like on a wall near my grandmother's, and it was full of little, here I'll show you. It was full of little jig hairs, hair jigs. You got basically everything for your smallmouth needs. I didn't find this whole box actually. I supplied 99.9% of this box with what I already had. I got plenty more, except that I just like to use certain baits at certain times and bring only a certain selection with me. It saves you money. No need to, if you accidentally leave your stuff somewhere. I'm actually about to head out here soon, but I want to show you what's on this side. Miscellaneous swim baits over here. Got a little bit of jigging bobbers. Sometimes I like to go through the creek with this little split tail and jigging bobber early in the year because them smallies supposedly love to just blast that thing. So I actually got it in my box. I don't know what I'm gonna try really. I mean, the creek is so low and the mouth is so low. The only thing that you're really gonna get is some walleye when they push up, when they start feeding on them minnows. I call them minnows, but yeah, I wanted to show you guys an interesting lure that I found in an old tackle box that my neighbor gave me. Thought it was really cool. Looks like a mini tadpole, but it's in a pink color, which I don't like. I wish it was in all black or all white, because then I'd use it through the creek right now. But that's pretty legit. I have to say, it's pretty cool. I love to fish different lures and new things. I'm pretty sure this is representing a tadpole. So we might even give that a try tonight. Who knows, man? Who freaking knows? But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my selection. Here coming soon, we got these big guys coming. You know, we gotta stock up on the flukes. Shout out to Ryan Downer. Gave me a whole package of white ones and a whole package of salt peppers. Didn't want any money for them. I really appreciated that, because he knows I like to use those big babies, and I don't think he's using them. So, but anyways, if you guys enjoy, this is my new channel. I mean, it's my same old channel, but my new fishing channel. If you guys like the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Please rate and like the video if you like it. If you dislike it, go ahead and dislike it. Tell me what I need to do more, and tell me what I need to do for you guys to be happy. Finally got the GoPro. It's March 31st, and yeah, let's get going.
something wrong. Mommy crying, daddy gone. Wasn't me, nosebleeds, empty fridge, no groceries. Teardrops running down my face. It's just one of those days. If you and me with me someday, I think the first thing you would say is something like, I've made some mistakes in the past.
On the GoPro too. Let's go, man. Woo! Big pretty girl. Fuck yes. There's a fish. There's a fish right there, baby. I don't know what it is. Nice smallie. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Please be recording. Let's go. Look how it... See that white belly right there? He'd been in the bottom. I was just about to pick that up and reel. And then I felt thunk. Fuckers. There we go, baby. Off that little. Let's go, man. Let's get the release here. There you go, pretty girl. Thank you. Let's fucking go, man. I knew there'd be one on that rock point. I knew it. About damn time these fish moved up, man. Killed that zoom, but I'm gonna still put it right back on there. I got a whole bunch of other ones, but why not if that one's working? Damn, he ate it. And fish are here, baby. Fish are here. It's just patience with these fish. Monongahela, man. It's really hard. That's a fish. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Oh my god. Get it over. Yes. Let's go. Spotted bass. Spotted bass near all the timber. First time ever. Oh my god. Oh my god. First spotted. First spotted. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. Spotted bass. Let's go, man. Pennsylvania fatty. Spotty. I hope you guys seen that, man. I had him stuck on that tree over there. Let the line out, let him go with it. Brought it back over. Oh my gosh. Alright, buddy. Let's get the release on this fish. Hey, girl. Let's go, man. First one on the fluke, dude. First fluke fish of the year caught on the GoPro. Yes! Oh. Alright guys, so pretty much to end out the day, nice smallmouth, nice largemouth, hybrid, and obviously the spotted bass. Really good day on the water. Didn't catch too many, but got good bites. I'm done for today.